today we're going to be doing slime!
Yay! Okay.
And it says,
make your own. And it has purple glitter and silver glitter. Slime. It's Nickelodeon slime.
It's Nickelodeon slime.
For crazy art. So we're gonna start now. Okay, we can open the box. It ripped. Okay, that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna. No. Okay. It's fine.
Yeah. There, I got it from over here.
All that stuff.
We got the bowl.
Is there another one?
I got the little thing. Nothing else.
So we have two plastic little containers.
And the little bowl to mix the slime.
Think.
Yeah.
We have instructions. Yes.
And then we got our different colors and our
we have
spoon
our
and glitter.
We have our glue, popsicle sticks, glitter, paints. I don't know, but we're gonna figure it out. So
Yeah.
directions for making slime. Measure 15 millimeters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup. Okay.
Okay, let's open this up. Strong. So we got the paint, the two blue paints.
Is that even paint?
I don't know.
I think it's paint.
Yeah, it's probably paint.
The paint.
There's some paints that are in little containers. Got
Popsicle sticks.
Popsicle sticks. Okay. Another.
I guess that's the thing to put in the glue.
Right. And then we got another clear glue.
I don't know what this is.
And this is the little powder.
Oh, slime mixing powder.
I knew powder.
Okay, we have all our stuff now.
The spoon.
Oh, our tiny spoon. Looks like it's a spoon for Barbies.
Yeah, spoon for Barbies.
Okay, 15 milliliters of clear glue. So we have to put in here the glue. Okay. So we're gonna
The glue.
Oh, okay.
They're both the same.
So we're gonna use this
Clear glue.
2 ounces of clear glue.
We're gonna use 3 ounces of crazy clear glue.
No, it's 2.
Ah, 2.
Okay, 15.
Oh, 15. Wow.
So scary. Oh, I see 15. Oh, really? That much? It sounded like a bird.
Yeah.
Like a bird chirp. Oh,
And
it's there. It's there.
there.
15. So we have 15 milliliters of glue now. Okay, next. Using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Okay, this is our bowl. Angelle, would you like to pour it?
Yeah, please.
Oh, nice pour. Okay, I'm gonna tap it on the side.
Doesn't want to go away. Just use our spoon so that
Oh,
we
wait,
can,
no, I don't think we used that yet. We had to see the instructions. The instructions. Okay. Measure 30 milliliters of water, room temperature. Pour it into the same bowl as glue. Okay. 30 milliliters of water with this thing.
We're back, and now we got our water.
Okay.
So now we're gonna pour it in our bowl. And I'm gonna
Okay.
get the spoon to
It
mix
says
up.
30 milliliters.
Now pour it.
It's a lot of water. And yeah.
Now we're gonna mix it.
Okay, so Angelle, here, you can mix it.
Thanks, Apple.
Well, I
read the instructions.
Okay.
See what's next.
Okay. Go glitter. To make purple or silver glitter slime, pour out 1/2 of the bag of glitter into the bowl with glue and water. Okay. So we'll make pink. There's
That's
pink.
purple. Comment down below if this is purple or pink, because we don't know.
I think it's like a magenta color.
Yeah. Now it's not that liquidy anymore, so I guess it's ready.
So it says we have to pour in the glitter. So I'm gonna pour in the glitter.
Glitter, sparkle, sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle.
I think that's good now.
Glitter, glitter.
Let's see if we can mix it with this thing.
Oh, can I mix it?
I think we're done mixing it, right?
Yeah, because it's
Okay.
not sticking that much.
Measure 1 spoonful of blue colorant and add it to the bowl of glue and water. We're only gonna add a little bit because we really like the pink glitter.
Yeah.
So,
how are we gonna take it out?
Blue colorant.
Oh,
That's
I think it's a violet. It looks like violet.
okay. We're gonna add the blue colorant.
Colorant. Add the colors. Now we're gonna mix it
Okay, we're gonna mix the blue colorant.
with the purple or pink.
Whoa. Measure 2 level spoonfuls of slime making powder and empty it into a second bowl. This is our second bowl. So we have to add the slime making powder
To this that I'm mixing.
and then to add it to a separate bowl. So keep on mixing.
Oh. And then when it's time, I'm gonna keep on
You
mixing.
just have to dump the whole thing. Okay.
Now while she's pouring it in, I'm gonna keep on
Yeah.
mixing.
It's white. Okay, since she mixed and did all the mixing, I think I want to do this. So 2 spoonfuls.
Whoa, that went right away.
1,
2.
2.
Oh. We spilled.
Our slime is falling apart.
So I'm gonna mix it since I'm not that messy.
Okay, wait.
Whoa, it's sticking to my spoon.
Okay, we're gonna add a little bit more.
Guys, this is so sticky that
okay,
it's
I
in
think
my finger.
we can go to
Whoa.
the next step. So measure 15 milliliters of hot water and pour it into the bowl. Stir mixture until dissolved. We have our water here. Okay, I think.
Is that hot water?
Okay, I'm gonna put it. Okay, okay.
Put a little
I
bit
just
more.
want to see what, because I added water. Okay, I think this is good now. Okay, we're gonna take out all the water. Add spoon water.
Now we're gonna play with it. Now we're
It
gonna
doesn't want to come out.
we're gonna take it with our fingers because we're gonna play with it anyways.
Whoa,
Whoa, it's
this
sticky
slime.
slime. It's our first time making slime.
Yeah, it is
Yoo-hoo.
actually.
So
Okay.
now we can play with it.
Cool. It's kind of mushy, but that's okay.
Mushy tight. Ooh.
Ah.
It's mushy.
Wait, can I-
Oh,
I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna try to
Oh.
put it together.
Oh.
The instructions spell.
Oh my gosh, this is so mushy. After this video, when this video is done, you're gonna have to wash your hands. It's really
Cool.
sticky.
Well, you have to, play with it.
Yes, until.
So this is our slime, guys.
So now we're just gonna keep on mixing it until it gets
So this is our slime.
unstuck. Our slime. I don't have that much slime.
So cool. Here.
Yeah. I'm gonna stick it to my. Ooh.
Okay, you kind of have to play with it until it gets better. So
This is the
it's our
time.
blue, pink, glittery slime.
Now it's
So I
pink
think-
blue.
So I
The
think.
pink blue. My favorite colors in one little big slime.
So I think we're done here. Okay, so put it. Whoa, this is cool.
Bye guys,
Please like
and subscribe.
and comment down below if you've ever made slime and if it was a fail or not. Bye.
Bye.